Going to show you how to make filled cupcakes today. So I'm just going to make my cupcakes according to the package directions here. We're going to put these in the oven and bake them as normal. I totally messed up these cupcakes and I wasn't even thinking. It's a 24 cupcake recipe, not 12. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, I do know. My brain's gone. But the tops all fell off. So I'm going to show you how to fill these. This is pie filling that comes in a bag. I put in my piping tip, my cupcake tip, and then I put it in another bag and I just cut a hole on there, okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to go in, squeeze. There you go. For the tops, what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of filling on here to secure my tops that broke off, okay? So just take and push down and it'll stay just like that. Take just our canned frosting and we're going to spread it on top. So instead of putting a cherry on top, I'm just going to put a little dollop of the cherry filling, and then we'll know these are the cherry ones. All right, we'll have Mike taste test and see what he thinks. Our cherry cupcake right here. Yummarummo. Oops. Ooh, I'm smashing it. It made like a little heart.
Oh.
It's saying, I love you.
Oh, thank you.
Chocolate covered cherry cupcakes.
Yum. I love this kind of stuff. Mmm.
Pretty darn tootin' good.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you make a filled cupcake.
It's really good.